Hello everyone, if you don't know me already, I'm Tara, the dance doctor. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are doing another Learn by Doing lesson. We are just doing 2 songs today, very simple. We are doing Rumba and we are doing Son, so that you can really get comfortable with the basics in both of those dances. As always, I will be doing the front and back view, so no matter what your learning style, you will be able to benefit from this lesson. Really quick, before we get dancing, don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and turn on those post notifications so you can get updated when I upload more things like this. Now let's get dancing. joining me for today's class. I hope that you enjoyed following it as much as I enjoyed teaching it. If you did, make sure to check out all of the online resources that I offer, meaning my premium courses on dancedoctoronline.com, my Patreon membership where I have several different tiers depending on how involved you would like to be with my Dance Doctor community. And if you would like to travel to Havana with me and do a dance intensive course for 8 days and experience all of the magic that Havana has to offer, visit my retreat website, ddretreats.com, or email me at dancedoctoronline@gmail.com to reserve your spot in one of my upcoming retreats. Until next time, keep dancing.